was dancing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me.
La 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 la. Yo, what's the deal, nigga? Ain't nothing, Paul. We just here laughing and all that. Trying to get our heads right, get this money right and all that. You know what I'm saying? You know how it goes. Just another day in the hood. Yo, one night, New York City, heard it going down. Friday night, midnight, Atlantic City, slots machines, ding, 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 ding. When they ring off, lock the doors, that's when ghosts just G-Dos. Cigars, paisley robes, 4 bitches guarded me safely as we walked to the window. The cashier was scared, she asked for my info. The manager arrived with 2 guys, that's an insult. That's the code, Mr. Coles. We talking about $5 million here. This ain't Play-Doh dough. And your horoscope red, you gon' slay those hoes. We got scribbles, Anthony Acid, rocking the show. Special guest star, Mark Bronson. First 500 bitches went crazy when he let they aunts in, and all he did was plug me in. I got the charge and got they bras and ran through they whole department.
I can pick another hoe. In the middle of the summer or even 20 below. I'm a bad motherfucker, I'm way too fucking cold. Let me tell you what they say when I'm pulling off my drawers. They say, ooh.
Hey yo, I came to the party just to cut up a rug. Don't make me have to cut up a thug. Now play something for me, DJ, cause it's nothing but love. Posted by the ladies who looking for something to rub. When we roll out, we roll on dubs. Rolling a bud, the theater unit, we controlling the club. Mommy shaking their asses, they throwing it up. Like a BT commercial, I'm wrapping them up.
Jump the pump when I bang big bullets, I buck up a chump. I love to get a bitch that stuck up the hump. Act thug and my foot get stuck up your rump like boom. Yeah, I heard I bust and that's my word. So if you get out of line and your ass is mine, and I'ma run up in your house, put it in your mouth. I might be new to the game, but it's a damn shame what a brother about to do to the game. I got Mark Ron backing me up. I'm already on a song with Nate Dogg. That's why you wanna hate, dog. Here's a warning with Mark bring the horns in. Say the wrong thing and you won't see the morning. You won't get dealt with, man. Yo, Nate, man, let's ride on these bitches. Come on.